Inktober SLEEP, simplest recipe to sketch a child. Okay, as usual, I always start with my Palamino Blackwing light sketch. This time, I fully intend to maximize the page. I might even have made some mistakes with the drawing, but doesn't matter. It's a simple sketch on a weekday, a full day of work, and then at home trying to do a bit of art. Anyway, here we go. This is a child sleeping. I just want to make sure that I have most of the lines that I need. The lines is to help with my color. I always think of it like adult coloring. Instead of buying someone's line, I draw it myself. For the clothes, it's a mixture of Cobalt and Quin Rose. Those two makes a beautiful purple, and I fully intend to maximize that color. It's and of course I leave some white. Later on I'll put some of the colors in, drop in a bit more stronger Quin Rose and a bit more pigment, so to speak. Now I'm going to start with the flesh tone. The flesh tone consists of Naples yellow and a dash of Quin Rose in it. So where there's light or highlight on the face, I use more of a mixture where it's just pure Naples yellow. Where there's a bit more of a shadow, there's a bit more quinacridone rose in it. And as you can see, stronger Naples yellow, stronger Quin Rose. I try to leave a bit of white, and as I progressed, I wiped off the hard edges that you see, and by wiping it off, you reduced the sort of the whites on the paper, and progressively it becomes more of a skin tone. This is the simplest way I know of sketching a skin tone. Basically, combination of Naples yellow with Quin Rose. And for even stronger sort of shadow in the figure, I use a dash of Quin Burnt Orange in it. So it gives it a bit of a orangey glow, if you like. Don't overdo it, because then it becomes too much and excessive, right? So now I'm going back in to paint some variation of colors for the dress, the little girl's dress, and the hair is a combination of Cobalt, Quin Rose, and Quin Burnt Orange. Those three colors. And I don't paint individual hair. I only sort of indicate the individual strand of hair at the edges. Where the bunch of hairs, you don't really want to have like little sort of hair sticking out or draw it line by line. That's just too much. Anyway, now I'm going in with shadow, and the shadow is Cobalt and Quin Rose and a deeper sort of Quin Burnt Orange. Oops, too much. And now I'm just drawing lines, drawing where I see the lines, the mouth, the shadows under the nose, and you can see that the face is beginning to form, and a bit more shadows, line work here and there, some artistic license. I think pretty much done. That's the simplest recipe I know, painting figures. And now just indicate the dots, sort of designing the dots and balance, nearer to the figure, smaller dots, further away, bigger dots. That's just design element, just to indicate space, basically. I think that's it. As simple as that. 5 minutes. Now, if you like this sort of tutorial and video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll appreciate that very much. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day wherever you are. Peace out.